Suicide is a major public health challenge with more than 7 lakh deaths each year globally. Each suicide has far reaching social, emotional, and economic consequences and deeply affects individuals and communities worldwide. World Suicide Prevention Day is organized by the International Association for Suicide Prevention. World Health Organization has been co-sponsor of the day. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness around the globe that suicide can be prevented. The triennial theme for World Suicide Prevention Day for 2045 to 2026 is Changing the Nature on Suicide with the call to action, Start the Conversation. This theme aims to raise awareness about the importance of reducing stigma and encouraging open conversations to prevent suicides. Changing the narrative on suicide is about transforming how we perceive this complex issue and shifting from a culture of silence and stigma to one of openness, understanding, and support. The call to action encourages everyone to start the conversation on suicide and suicide prevention. Every conversation, no matter how small, contributes to a supportive and understanding society. By initiating these vital conversations, we can break down barriers, raise awareness, and create better cultures of support. This theme also emphasizes the need to prioritize suicide prevention and mental health in policy making, calling for government action. Changing the narrative requires advocating for policies that prioritize mental health, increase access to care, and provide for those in need. World Suicide Prevention Day was established in 2003 by the International Association for Suicide Prevention in conjunction with the World Health Organization. The 10th September each year aims to focus attention on the issues, reduces stigma, and raises awareness among organizations, governments, and the public, giving a singular message that suicides are preventable. By addressing these areas and working collaboratively across sectors, we can create a more supportive and compassionate society where suicide is preventable and everyone feels valued and understood.